In this video I'm going to show you how to upload audio to Canva. So what you need to do is open your Canva account, and after that make sure you have located the audio which you want to upload to Canva. After that go back to the Canva page and go to Uploads. Here you will find three options: images, videos and folders. Now what we can do now is click on Upload Files, or we can simply go to the folder where we have located the audio. We will make it a little bit smaller so we can drag the file into Canva. So select the file, then drag it into Canva, and as you can see it will display drop content to upload. Now drag the file into Canva, and after that it will start uploading, and there will be appearing a title named audio. As you can see, the audio is currently uploading, and once it is done you can add it into your Canva design. As you can see, the audio is loaded into our Canva design and we have successfully uploaded audio to Canva. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!